and already messed up. She does not want to be selected. I started out with illustrating portraits for friends, and that was just sort of the thing that I found that gave people the most joy. I feel like the trend right now is for book covers to be illustrated. I feel like I've sort of found my niche. I'm really happy that I get to do what I love doing as my job. My name is Sarah Horgan. I'm a book cover designer and illustrator. Today I'm going to show you how to do a little illustration on the iPad. So I start with choosing what brush I want to use, and my preferred one is the 6B pencil because I like it to be sketchy. And I'm going to start with pink because I obviously love pink. I like to do a rough sort of outline of the shapes that I'm going to have, but it sort of lets you plan out the negative space you're going to have. I'm drawing a girl with her arms up, and I'm going to give her bangs. So I'm going to draw her hand, kind of a cheater way to do it, and that most of it is going to be covered up. Now I might start to tidy some things up. So I just keep scribbling until I feel like it's looking like a human being. The other cheater way about going about facial features is to put on a nice pair of sunglasses. Now's when I decide, do I want to draw facial features? I'm gonna say no, but I'll leave it more of a mystery. I think it always helps with these little doodles to make it look more sort of polished when you do like little touches of outlines. She's looking cute. I'm gonna clean up this phone. And I'm realizing that I made my board a little too small, so you can go in and resize, which is really helpful. And another thing you can't do when you're drawing on paper. I'm gonna give her some fingernails. Looks a little more put together when I add a background. I've had people ask me before how I add background to things, and I literally just scribble it in like this. All right, voila. I'm Sarah, and this has been Something for You.